ang kanilang grand entrance with Mr. James Sarita. Sasayaw po, sir. Yan. Alright, next is Ma'am Violeta and Sir Romel.
They all went to heaven and all never know. Clap, snap, clap, snap.
Palakpakan naman po natin Mr. Romel and Ma'am Violeta. Yun. TikTokers naman ba si Sir Romel? Sige po, lakad na dito. Next is Ma'am Suzette and Ma'am Soledad. Ito, praktisado to. Yan. Okay. Ashanti Jew. Alright, pinagturo lang sa mga ninang. Sige, Ma'am Ashanti, dito ka na. Nandiyan na po ba si Mr. Leonard Aldo? DJ, hit the music! Sasayaw sa lang, sir. Sige, sir! Sir, sige, dito, lapit ka na. Ayan. Mahira eh si sir. Alright, Mr. Julius and Ma'am Melsan. Bang, bang, bang! Yun! Praktisado si Nino. Yun! Next is Ma'am Diane and Sir Edwin. And Ma'am Marites and Evangelista. DJ, hit the music. Go. Give it up, baby, give it up. Alright, lapit na po dito. Alright, magsitayo po tayong lahat. Ayan, magsitayo tayong lahat para naman sa pagpasok ng ating newlywed couple. Yung mga ninang po dito sa side na to. Mga ninong, dito po sa side na ito, mga ninang. Ayan, dapat with energy, full of energy dapat pag pinakilala ko na yung ating newlywed couple, yun talagang nagwawala sa energy.
My discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest. She looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together. Drugs, sex, and beat up sneaks. My discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest. She looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back.
Okay.
The chemical, physical, kryptonite. Elvis to the face and I'm saying like, oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm. I don't know how it happened. We took the forces.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our newlywed couple, Mr. Hani and Mrs. Maricel Jones.
Go, 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 go.
Ano yun? Ayan, sino ang Mr. Harry?
Congratulations!
Alright, palakpakan naman dyan! Okay, entrance na po in 3, 2, and 1! Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. John! Okay, ayan, wala po muna mauupo. Ayan, quick step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, next step is... Sige po, okay lang yan. Double clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, next step ay yung ating Macarena dance step. Yung na ganyan-ganyan. Okay, pagka Macarena step, up ng kamay, ganyan. Dalawang kamay. Macarena step again. Tsaka tap ng paa. And our last step is, of course, the party step. Yun na ganyan, no? Party! Alright, DJ! Let's hit the music. Okay, sasabay din kayo lahat, ha? Clap mo na! Clap your hands together! Hindi natin si Marlon Rivera sabay-sabay na. Pusok-pusok! Sabay-sabay! Musik-musik! Okay, balik tayo sa pusok-pusok! Sabay-sabay! And this time, double clap! Sabi nga naman nila Marlon Rivera, sabay-sabay! Itaas ang kamay! Sabay-sabay! Ipatsak ang paa! And the party party! Party party! Okay, maraming salamat. Palakpakan niyo naman ang inyong sarili. Napakagagaling ng ating mga ninong at ninang na ito. Pwede na po kayong umupo. Ayan. Ayan. This time, tatanungin ko muna si Ate Bride. Ano pong nararamdaman niyo sa pagkakataong ito, Bride?
Sobrang saya po. Sobrang saya.
Palakpakan naman natin ang ating Bride. How about you, sir? How's your feeling?
Sobrang saya.
Alright, sobrang saya! Palakpakan naman natin Mr. and Mrs. Jong.